November 24th, 2016, Thanksgiving Day. Hey guys, I changed the cover on my YouTube channel. Let me know what you think about it. I just kind of pulled the frame from the Hollywood in 4K video, but I think it looks really nice instead of the old one, so let me know what you think in the comments. Clip for the bid. That's fine.
Alright, let's go. Okay.
That is some good pie.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Who made it?
I don't know. Thumbnail.
Huh?
Thumbnail. Title of the video, biggest bird in town or something.
Big Bird Strikes Back or something.
Well, that's gonna wrap it up for skate park Thanksgiving festivities. It was a short vlog, but today was just really slow. Not a lot happened. A lot of relaxation. Thanksgiving was good. It was good to sit down with the family and everybody else. That skater that you guys saw just a few minutes ago, his name is Daniel Yeager. He used to live here in Guthrie, but now he lives in Los Angeles actually, and he's a professional skater out there. So it was really cool to have him out here and skating at the local park. So it was a nice little meetup. I just want to say happy Thanksgiving, everybody. We will be back up at the skate park this Saturday for another vlog, so look forward to that. And then we have some other stuff planned for next week. So it's kind of slow this week. I realize I haven't been uploading as much, but what can you do? Thanksgiving. Anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for today's vlog. Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you guys for coming and hanging out with me today. Thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And I'll see you guys on the next one. See you later.